Interesting. They get really big. When they animate multiple times, okay, we got to remember this is an animated an animated object that we're using as our particle. So what we might say is when its idle animation has looped, we'll make it go invisible. So from animations, when animation idle, idle is the default animation name, has looped, change that to looped, we will make it invisible. So from looks, set visibility to false. Now it was scaling really quickly to get quite large. Let's increase it by 0.01 for its scale. And let's make it a little smaller, maybe 0.3 for its starting scale. Should we test that? That actually looks quite good. Now we just need to get it positioning a bit better. Okay, so now we'll go and change the positioning of the particle effect from its emitter. And its emitter is this fireball. So back down the bottom here, when we spawn our explosion, we want it to go to the position. It was a little bit too low and it was a little bit too far to the right. So we want to say x minus and y minus. So let's say x position of myself minus, let's try minus 100. Same thing with y position, minus 100. Play that to test it out. It's almost right. It's a little bit too low. So if it's too low, it needs to go up more, which means decreasing its y position. So we'll say minus 130. Oh, a little bit too high now. Let's say 120. A lot of this will just be you making little tweaks to see what looks better.